On September 16, President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev and President of the United Arab Emirates Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan inspected the ongoing construction of the new Shusha Mosque. Anar Alakbarov, assistant to the President of Azerbaijan, briefed the presidents on the progress of the project. The mosque's foundation, laid by President Ilham Aliyev in 2021, is set to become a modern architectural landmark in the historic city of Shusha. Following President Ilham Aliyev's instructions, the mosque's design incorporates the number 8, symbolizing Victory Day, the day Shusha was liberated from occupation. Its two minarets will resemble the number 11, representing the liberation of Shusha and Karabakh in the 11th month of the year. Situated in the upper part of the city, the mosque's exterior will feature geometric patterns inspired by the minarets of Shusha's historic mosque.